Alright y'all, what's cracking, what's happening? So today is the day that we do the reveal. So we're gonna go pick up that motor right now. I got my boy with me right here, and we're heading over there to go grab that new motor right now. So we'll go ahead and show you guys what it is in a second, but you know, keep anticipating what it's gonna be, and we'll show it to you guys in a second. Let's go grab that. Yo, but check out the rare spec. It's a Toyota Solara with a soft top with a bunch of glitter, and she got the 3-wheel rascal. That's pretty baller. She out here. I like that. Wait, hold on, we need to see it closer up. And she got a unicorn sticker on the side of it. Stop playing. 3-wheel rascal, unicorn sticker, glitter everywhere. Awesome. Shout out to whoever's grandma that is. That's my grandma now. All right, y'all, what's happening? So if you guys couldn't guess, that's what we got right here. Got a little double roller on it too. Shout out my boy, shout out Fred, man. This is the distributor. If you guys need anything, tap in with him, man.
The creator.
He's the creator. He's the only guy that's got everything and anything you need. So if you guys need anything for Mustangs or anything Ford related, really, this is the guy for you. I'll throw his Instagram up right here for you guys. But we're gonna get this loaded up and we're gonna get out of here. So y'all stay tuned. Man, shout out my fam, man, helping me out get these things moved, because I got a broken ass back, as you guys already know. So you know, it's a little inconvenience for me, but we're making it work and we're getting that short block loaded up for you guys. So we'll tell you guys some more details and the plans on it in a little bit. Stay tuned. This is the regular things you see in my neighborhood. Hey bro, tweak it again. Oh dang. He stopped right after you guys. He was like standing in the middle of the street like which isn't funny. Obviously he might have a mental illness and everything like that. I'm not like saying it's funny. I'm not talking shit. It just, these are the regular things you see in my neighborhood. So all right y'all, so we're back at the house right now. We're gonna grab this thing out of here, but we're just gonna get it on the floor, get it out of the car, and we're gonna put it outside in my garage over here. But we have the 302 short block now, and it looks good. It's the 88 or 89. I think it was one or the other, and it's got the disc pistons, forged internals, exactly how they come, and it's a good motor. Can't really see that much of the cross hatching on it, but not a big deal. I know it came from a running car, so we're gonna use it regardless. And then I have my heads over here for the car, which I think I'll end up porting. Well, I'm already ported. I finished. I can't talk. I started porting the heads, so they're right here, and I was porting them to match the exhaust gaskets and then the intake gaskets, and then I will put them on that motor, and we'll get that thing squared away. All right y'all, so we got the engine on the stand, we got a good 302. It came with a double roller, so whoever guessed right, I'll go ahead and throw you guys right here. You guys got it. But got my dad right here, got my brother right here, and we checked it out, or my dad noticed right now it's got a bad freeze plug. We're not tearing into this motor at all. We're not fucking doing it, because that's what got me into the situation of getting a new motor, because I fucking discovered things on the other one. So doesn't look, I mean, it looks good. We got it with lifters, we have the dog bones, we have the tray. We'll clean this motor up, we'll pull off these head gaskets, get some new head gaskets. We'll check to see what kind of cam it has in it. Maybe it has a cam. Maybe we got lucky and it got a cam in it. Maybe it has a letter cam in it. But we'll check to see if it has a B cam or an F cam or something like that in it. Pop that off. We're gonna reseal this oil pan, new freeze plugs, finish porting out my heads and throw the heads on this thing, and call that a day. And these might have had, I don't know if anybody knows what brand that is of head gaskets. These heads might have been off before already, but it looks good. Checking out good. We got this thing over here. The double roller. We need to do the freeze plugs on this thing, and then we will clean it up and we will get it ready to go into the car. What is that? Oh, it looks like it had like a quick drain on it. I don't know. But this is the thing. It's got all the dog bones. We pulled off the head gaskets. They had Field Pros on it, so it had Field Pro head gaskets, and it's got the dish pistons with the valve reliefs, so that's super cool.
Damn, fatty.
And yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. But I just wanted to get that in there and show you guys what this block's looking like. Looks real good. Not really much crosshairs. I mean, I'm not even gonna look into it too much, but that's it right there.
Yeah.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and we got some more dope content coming for you guys. I can't wait to get this thing built. We're gonna pretty much just gonna go over this motor, change out those freeze plugs, get some Ford Performance head gaskets for it, finish porting out my heads, and then just slap this thing back on the car. And I have the flywheel, and it came with like a brand new 6-puck flywheel, or I mean clutch, when I got it as well. So we'll get that up in the car and we'll get it rocking. So stay tuned, watch this build series, and this thing will be on the road ASAP. Check it out, y'all.